Hi, I'm Ted. Come photograph with me. Today's experiment, we're going to be photographing water drips that come from this little drip here and hits this pan of water. It turns out that water drips do amazing stuff. When one water drip falls down, hits the surface of water and bounces back up, just when it hits the top of its bounce, a second water drip is going to come in and collide with that recoil. This solenoid, or it's a little water valve, is controlled by an Arduino over here and the electronics here. It's also got a water supply up here that bubbles. To start the process, we got to turn off the lights because we're going to use open bulb to capture this high-speed event. I'm going to open the shutter, trigger the valve, and all the timing is controlled by the Arduino. There's a nice shot, solid shot. There it goes. So that's how water drips are photographed in the high-speed lab. I hope you had fun seeing this. It's not that hard to do, and I hope you go out and try this yourselves. Take care.